Standard 8 Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 11 Report Generation in Access. What is a report? Reports offer a way to view, format, and summarize the information in your Microsoft Access database. A report consists of information that is pulled from tables or queries, as well as information that is stored with the report design, such as label, headings, and graphics. A report is a properly presented and explanatory listing of data that can be printed on paper. It is organized and formatted information to fit your specification. It allows you to retrieve and present data as meaningful information that you can use and distribute. Report organized and summarized data for viewing online or for printing. A detailed report displays all of the selected records. You can include summary data such as totals, counts, and percentages in a detailed report. A report can contain data from reports offer a way to view, format, and summarize the information in your Microsoft Access database. For example, you can create a simple report of phone numbers for all of your contacts or a summary report on the total sales across different regions and time periods. Now students, a report can contain data from some fields in a table, all the fields in a table, fields from more than one table or queries. Some examples of reports are mailing labels, invoices, and sales summaries. With Access, you can design reports that present information in the way you want. You can use many different design elements such as text, pictures, line, boxes, and graphs to create the report. Reports are also an efficient way to print information that you use regularly. You can create a design for a report and then save it so that you can use it over and over again. You can create reports that organize and present data in groups. Calculate running totals, grand totals, and percentage of totals. Include sub-reports and graphs. Present your data in an attractive format with pictures, lines, and special fonts. Report button create a simple report that lists the records in the selected table or query in a columnar format. Now student, if you want to create a report, 3 ways are there: using design view, using report wizard, and using report option. Report wizard option allows you to choose either columnar or tabular layout. Select from the report wizard dialog box. Click Next and select the style for the report. Click Next and give a title for the report. Finally, click on Finish. The report is displayed on the screen. Thank you.